19 Work from Home Careers with Amazing Benefits. 2023 edition. Health insurance, paid training, flexible spending accounts, and paid time off are some of the most desired benefits that employers can offer to their employees. But when it comes to finding a work-from-home job with benefits, it can be challenging to find the right fit. Time to kick off your journey to making money with benefits, starting with 1. Nielsen. It's been reported that Nielsen provides employees with resources and benefits to help them grow and achieve more. It encourages remote work with a smart work philosophy, and is flexible with the work schedule. 2. Adecco. You can choose to apply for a job in the Adecco group itself or to one of the thousands of other job postings on the site. Employers from various industries like accounting and finance, hospitality, retail, transport, and engineering use Adecco to recruit remote candidates for job roles. 3. United Health Group. It uses technology to automate basic administrative processes and save time on decision-making. The platform offers remote jobs from different healthcare areas. 4. Intuit. Intuit has several products under its belt, like TurboTax, QuickBooks, Mint, and Credit Karma to help customers save time and increase efficiency. It provides many remote jobs, including Sales Channel Coordinator, Staff Sales Data Analyst, Senior Service Designer, and Sales Leader. 5. Amazon. It has many products under its name, including Prime, Kindle, Fire TV, Amazon Echo, and Alexa. This customer-centric company focuses on providing a range of benefits to employees to help them reach their full potential. 6. Enterprise Rent-A-Car. Founded in 1957, Enterprise has over 8,000 branches worldwide. The platform also lists jobs from various sectors within the company, and you can narrow your search to part-time, full-time or internship positions. 7. ADP. It uses technology to simplify daily activities and save time and money. Its employee benefits program and other policies have made it rank as one of the world's most admired companies by Fortune for consecutive 16 years. 8. Teradata. With more than $2 billion in revenue, Teradata uses data insights to provide solutions for people and companies. It specializes in providing solutions in financial services, communications, life sciences, manufacturing, healthcare, retail, and many more. 9. IBM. Employees are encouraged to seek knowledge and channel their curiosity toward the development of new technological innovations. The remote job positions include remote monitoring support representative, cloud architect, and application developer. 10. Humana. Humana is a healthcare provider company offering healthcare plans and insurance to people across the United States. It offers special plans and benefits to Humana members in the form of pharmacy benefits and prescription drug savings to make people happy and healthy. 11. Xerox. Xerox is an American multinational company that provides printers and IT solutions to people in more than 160 countries. It provides equal opportunity to people from diverse backgrounds and builds on learning and development resources to assist in growing careers. 12. Autodesk. Founded in 1982, Autodesk is an American company that provides software solutions for architecture, engineering, construction, product design, manufacturing, media, and entertainment companies. 13. American Express. American Express is a credit card service corporation with multiple services offered within the portfolio. These include personal cards, business cards, and corporate cards. 14. LexiCode. LexiCode is a coding compliance solutions company helping clients to create smoother and more efficient services in hospitals, surgical facilities, physician groups, and emergency departments. 15. Sykes Home. Sykes Home provides businesses with home-based solutions to improve customer service and engagement and lead to a higher return on investment. It's one of the best job sites for remote work because it has such a large platform. 16. ABC Fitness. Partnering with nearly 16,000 health clubs and 150,000 fitness professionals, ABC Fitness aims to provide club owners with positive financial performance and increased customer satisfaction. 17. 1-800-Flowers.com. Founded in 1976, 1-800-Flowers is a customer service company that provides customers with the opportunity to share gifts and experiences and in return, build lasting relationships. 18. Adobe. Adobe is a leader in the digital world. People and businesses all around the globe use Adobe to transform their digital experience using Photoshop, Acrobat Reader, and Creative Cloud. 19. General Motors. General Motors is an automobile company working on 6 continents to provide a world-class customer experience. It builds on the mission to create a cleaner environment with zero emissions and zero congestion worldwide. The bottom line: work from home job with benefits. Finding a work from home job with benefits can be a breeze if you know which companies to look for positions at. Thank you for watching this video from GetRichNow.com, your one-stop shop for all things money-making online. We hope you found this information helpful and valuable in your journey to financial freedom. Remember, at Get Rich Now you can find hundreds of tested money-making methods for 2023.